Hey guys, it's John Giselle again. I'm playing Clash of Clans. I'm getting ready to leave to my cousin's house to make a video with my friends and cousins. So let's see, we're gonna have a new member, Kevin Mujica, Pokiruli. I hope he's on the global. Okay. Wow. It won't let me repeat it. I'm sending invites, so, join Liz. No, it's a bear, so. Let me go to my phone. We're gonna attack someone soon, don't worry, guys. We're taking right next. Okay, on the car.
You pushed me!
Good for you. Next. Okay, I'm in my garage. It's so noisy. Okay. Yeah, so this attack looks kinda easy, but a lot of money out of it, so attack everything. We just noticed we don't have bombs. What's up, Mia? Well, I'm making a video. Oh, you got a charger? I'm making a video. I'm attacking. Oh! Yeah, my sister doesn't know I'm making a video, so. Woohoo! Dropping it down a notch. I'll do this all day. Okay, time to destroy it. Okay, checking for the corners. Oh, they're talking. Oh no. They need my help. More at a time. Don't fail me now. Yes, destroy the cannon. Oh. Yeah, run. Destroy. Whoa, mommy.
You take Emma and Angela for me, please. Before we go.
Give me the tablet.
Got it.
We lost.
Hurry.
Here you go. Why don't you open it up to Angelica? Angela, whatever.
Don't you know that I just...
Okay, we got bronze. So.
You got it.
Right. Okay, guys, that's it for all. Bye.